What if one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history was reborn for 2026? This is the Volkswagen T1 Samba, a timeless legend that once defined freedom, road trips, and counterculture, now imagined for a new generation. And today, we're taking a full look at the 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba. Front, rear, interior, engine, price, and who it's really competing against. From the front, the 2026 T1 Samba stays instantly recognizable. You still get that classic V-shaped nose, proudly wearing the oversized VW emblem at the center. The round headlights keep the retro soul alive, but now feature modern LED internals for better visibility and efficiency. The two-tone paint scheme, soft green paired with creamy white, feels premium, nostalgic, and absolutely timeless. Chrome bumpers and mirrors complete the look, reminding us this van isn't trying to be aggressive, it's trying to be iconic. Moving to the rear, simplicity is the key theme. The flat rear panel, minimal badging, and rounded taillights stay faithful to the original T1 design language. You won't find aggressive spoilers or sharp creases here, just clean surfaces and pure retro proportions. This is a design that doesn't scream for attention, it earns it. From the side, this is where the Samba truly shines. The long, boxy silhouette is paired with multiple panoramic windows, a signature feature that made the Samba famous. These windows flood the cabin with natural light and instantly connect passengers to the outside world. Steel wheels with classic hubcaps, short overhangs, and a tall roofline make this van look ready for road trips, coastal drives, or just cruising slowly, enjoying life. Step inside, and the interior perfectly mirrors the exterior philosophy. The dashboard is minimal, clean, and retro-inspired. A simple steering wheel, classic gauge cluster, and horizontal layout keep everything intuitive. The bench seats are finished in light-colored upholstery, creating a bright and welcoming cabin. No unnecessary luxury, just comfort, space, and charm. Large windows all around make the interior feel open, relaxed, and almost therapeutic. This isn't about speed, this is about experience. Now, let's talk about what's under the skin. For 2026, the Volkswagen T1 Samba is expected to come in two possible powertrain directions, depending on market. Option 1. Electric, most likely. Fully electric drivetrain inspired by VW's MEB platform. Estimated range, 350 to 400 kilometers, 220 to 250 miles. Smooth, silent, city-friendly performance. Option 2. Hybrid/EV style retro concept. Small electric motor paired with a compact battery, focused on efficiency and relaxed cruising. This van is not built for racing. It's built for vibes. So, how much would a legend like this cost? Expected price range, $45,000 to $60,000 US, depending on configuration and market. That puts it squarely in the premium lifestyle vehicle category. Not cheap, but emotionally priceless. The 2026 T1 Samba doesn't compete directly with normal vans, but here are its closest rivals in spirit. Volkswagen ID Buzz, modern, tech-focused sibling. Ford E-Transit Custom, practical, less emotional. Mercedes EQV, premium but lacks character. retro camper conversions. Charming, but not factory fresh. What makes the T1 Samba different? Soul, history, identity. This vehicle is perfect for retro car lovers, lifestyle-focused buyers, content creators and travelers, people who value emotion over numbers. If you want the fastest, this isn't it. If you want something that makes people smile, this absolutely is. The 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba proves that cars don't need to be aggressive or complicated to be special. Sometimes, all you need is timeless design, honest engineering, and a strong emotional connection. This isn't just a comeback, it's a celebration of automotive history.